Hey, sixth graders, Mr. Newman here. So after the Civil War was over, the United States needed to put itself back together. So the era of Reconstruction is what came next. And this was the process of rebuilding our country. And this lasted from 1865 to 1877. And so today what you're going to do is start kind of introducing yourself to the Reconstruction era by watching a couple videos. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is either on a blank sheet of paper or Notability, take some notes. So what surprises you as you're watching these videos? What questions are coming to your mind? So the first video you're going to watch is just a short kind of overview of the Reconstruction era. So again, as you're watching, this isn't anything new that we have never done before, so this shouldn't be too terribly difficult for you. Just write down what are some things that surprise you as you are watching and learning about Reconstruction. What questions do you have of how do we put this this country back together after that horrible war that just took place? The second video is a Brainpop video that you're going to watch about Reconstruction. Then when you're finished, a couple things you can do. You can take a look at your questions and go back and research what are some answers to those to find your own answers to them. And then I want to see kind of your questions as well, so it helps me lead into what best to do next in class as far as where to go, what questions do you still have. So you're going to turn this into an assignment called Chapter 8, Reconstruction Turn-In, and then that's it. When you're finished with this, you can do social studies apps, you can do GeoGuessr, if you have other homework, you can work on other homework, you can read, just find something independent to work on until the class is over. Appreciate you all. Remember to be kind to everyone, use nice words, and hope you have a wonderful day.